Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Coco. First, I wanna thank you to my subscriber James. You sent your Chinese sentence to me. I wanna say you did so good job because you can speak so long sentence in Chinese, and yeah, and you can introduce yourself. But a little bit you should pay more attention on them, especially on the Chinese tones. When you speak 美国人, we normally speak 美国人 use the third tone, second tone. But you speak like this, 美国人. So 美国人 and 美国人, they are really different. But no problem, in this video, I'll help you crack them. So let's get started. Before we listen to James' voice, first I will speak this sentence in the correct way. Please listen to them carefully. 我是保加利亚和美国人。我住在加州。Okay, next, let's listen to the James voice.
我是保加利亚和美国人，我住在加州。
So in this sentence, there are 5 Chinese characters in the wrong tones. I'll correct them one by one. The first one, 保加利亚, ya. This character is the first tone. 保加利亚, the first tone. Ya. 亚洲, ya. 亚军, ya. 保加利亚. So when you speak 保加利亚, you use the third tone. It's wrong. 保加利亚. Yeah, good job. So next one, 美国人. The first character, 美, third tone. 美, 美, 美丽, 美好, 美国, 美. The next character, 国, 国 is the second tone. 国, 中国, 国家, 美国. So when you speak 美国, you all use the first tone. 美国 is wrong. We should use 美国, 美国. You can try them again. 美国. Yes. Good job. The next one, 加州, 加州. The two characters all use the first tone. 加州. But when you speak 加州, it's wrong because you use 州. This is the second tone. So we should speak 加州。我住在加州。我住在加州。The last one. 住在。住在。在。This word is very important. We should use neutral tone. We speak it very shortly and very softly. 住在。住在。But when you speak 住在, this is a little bit long. We should speak shortly. 住在. Speak very fast, very shortly. 住在. This is correct. 我住在上海。我住在上海。我住在中国。我住在中国。Let's speak the whole sentence together. 我是保加利亚和美国人。我住在加州。One more time. 我是保加利亚和美国人。我住在加州。Correct. I hope this video is helpful for you. Welcome to send some sentence or phrases you say in Chinese to this email. I'll reply to you and help you correct your pronunciation. Of course, this active is totally free, so feel free to email me. And don't forget subscribe this channel. I'll see you in my next video.